Hi, so the folks over at Stick and Poke Tattoo Kit wanted me to review one of their kits, so they went ahead and sent me one, and I'm really excited to review it. It's not sponsored, they're not telling me to say anything, they're not giving me money to review it. I'm just reviewing it for you guys because I know a lot of you were interested in Stick and Pokes after my first Stick and Poke vlog. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the kit right now and show you guys what's inside, and then I'm having a few friends over, and the kit only has enough things to tattoo one person, so I will tattoo that person and show you guys how that turns out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tattoo my other friend. But yeah, I'm really excited, and after this I will have a talking video and I'll go ahead and explain what I thought about it and how it worked out. But before I do anything else, I want to say that I'm going to have a Stick and Poke Q&A video come up, so if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll go ahead and answer those in an upcoming video. So enjoy this little vlog before I actually get to the talking part in the review. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love the little design. They just have little designs on it, and that is so cute. In California. I'm in California. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up with one hand if I can. It comes with a little zine, it looks like, which is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is precious. Shows you information about safety and some ideas, which that is super cute. I guess I'll go more in depth about this portion of the kit in the talking video part once I actually have time to read it. It comes with, it looks like a surface of some sort. It also comes with a post-op sponge. Gosh, is this stencil paper? I've never used stencil paper before and I've always really needed to try it, so this will be a good way for me to try it out. It has a witch hazel towelette. I always use witch hazel on cotton rounds. That's cool how it has 2 alcohol prep pads, because sometimes I'll clean it off and then I'll put the design on someone and then they decide they want it somewhere else. So I like how they included 2 of them, just in case you need to prep the area twice. I think this is a sterile ink jar, which is adorable. It looks like it's reusable, I guess, if you were to sanitize it, which is really neat. I also have some black ink, and it looks like it comes with 3 needles. These are the exact kind of needles I use. So I'm back and I just wanted to do a sit-down review of the tattoo kit now. So first of all, I think this is a great concept of a product. Bottom line is, tattooing yourself or someone else is dangerous, and I personally think it's best to have a safe way to do it, at least a clean way. Some of y'all were commenting, I did it with a safety pin and pen ink, and like my roommate did that, and like a bunch of my friends have done that, and no disrespect to you guys, like I'm glad it worked, and I'm glad no one had to lose a limb requiem for a dream style, but seriously, I didn't mean to be condescending at all if you've done it that way. I liked how sanitary the kit was. Everything was like packaged in plastic. They had like a medical covering for the space, which I thought was great. One thing I loved about the kit was the quality of the ink they provided. I've used 2 different black inks and now I've used this ink, and I really liked it. Like, it might be my favorite of all the 3 that I've tried. A big plus is that it's vegan, and I haven't been able to find too many vegan inks. If you know of any good ones, please let me know in the comments. It also came with a little zine / instruction manual, and I honestly wish I had something like this when I was starting to tattoo. I did not know the process. I had to Google everything, and different sources were saying different things about the order of things and how to start, and I basically just compiled all those tips and made my own little thing. It was pretty much identical to the zine and the steps provided in the zine, but I had to figure that all out for myself. If you have no idea how to do this, the little zine is definitely helpful. I also liked that it provided some tattoo ideas, because sometimes someone will be like, I want a tattoo, and I'll be like, great, what do you want? And they'll be like, I don't know. Which is why I drew up a little flash sheet, and people tend to pick from that, but it's actually really nice to have some designs ready to go just in case someone doesn't know what they want. The only thing that I'd say about this kit is the price. It is expensive, however, I do not think that it's overpriced, given that this is such a small company. The PR person or whoever was talking to me was really great. You could tell it was one person. They like low-key roasted me for using an AOL email, which was funny, but yeah, you can tell it's run by people who really care about what they're doing, and all the little samples are great. When you think about the labor that goes into putting all these together and mailing it out and things like that, the price does make a lot of sense. However, if you plan on doing a lot of people, you can get all the same supplies for maybe $10 more, and you'll have a lot more of the supplies. However, I 100% believe that this kit is worth it if you're just doing it for yourself, especially if you want to be a little more serious about it like me. If I had known about this, I might have gotten it and understood the process and everything instead of having to research everything on my own. Try it out and then order the supplies after. However, that's going to be like double the cost, so it's like a give and a take. If you're nervous about doing this or it's your first time, I highly recommend this kit for you. If you've done this before, unless you want to do just one, it's probably not necessary for you to buy the kit, especially if you have tattoo things already. I would recommend buying whatever you need separately. Another thing that I liked about the kit was the fact that it came with stencil paper. I've never used stencil paper before. I've always used the deodorant and the ballpoint pen method, so it was nice that I was able to use stencil paper, and I'm definitely gonna order some stencil stuff and stencil paper now. So basically, a too long didn't listen version of this video would be that I really like the kit. I thought it was very sanitary, which I think is important. I also like the ink that it came with. I thought it was a very good quality ink. I do not think this kit is overpriced given the amount of effort that goes into putting each kit together. You can tell there's a lot of love and care going into each kit. However, if you plan on doing a lot of these tattoos, I would either recommend getting the kit and ordering the rest of the supplies, so you'd have it in like bulk, or just ordering supplies on your own. It depends on what you can afford, though I do highly recommend this kit, especially if you're just starting out. Thanks for staying till the end. Here is a picture of the tattoo that I did. It was a little bee on the back of his arm. I've done 2 bees on the back of arms now, and I have a bee on my thigh for Sylvia Plath, so I've done 3 bee tattoos so far. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you feel like it, you can subscribe. I'm planning on making more stick and poke videos, and I do DIYs and fun videos, so just if you want to stick around, that'd be great because it'd make me real happy. But don't feel like you have to. I don't want to put pressure on you. Like this video if you liked it. Give it a dislike if you didn't like it. That's totally fine with me. I'd like to hear your honest opinions. And again, leave me comments with any questions that you may have for a stick and poke Q&A. I'd love to answer them in another video. Okay guys, that's it. I love you. Bye.